Tidal Musicians Distribution Platform Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the platform and relevant tools are in the description. Let's take a closer look at what Tidal offers for musicians, who it's made for, and whether it's a good fit for your distribution needs. Tidal is a premium music streaming platform that's known for its high-quality audio and artist-centric approach. Originally launched as a competitor to services like Spotify and Apple Music, Tidal has evolved into a platform that provides more than just music streaming. It also offers a robust distribution service for musicians. Through Tidal's artist platform, musicians can distribute their music directly to Tidal's streaming service, gaining access to millions of subscribers globally. However, Tidal is different from other distribution services because it focuses on delivering high-definition, lossless audio quality, making it a go-to option for audiophiles and listeners who prioritize sound quality. One of the key features of Tidal's platform is its Hi-Fi and Master Quality Authenticated (MQA) streaming options, which ensure that your music is heard in the best possible quality. For artists, Tidal offers detailed analytics so you can track your streams, fan engagement, and revenue. Artists are also paid a higher percentage of royalties compared to some other platforms, which can be especially beneficial for those with a dedicated fan base. Additionally, Tidal offers editorial opportunities, including playlist placements, and even collaborates with high-profile artists for exclusive releases. Who is it for? Tidal is ideal for independent musicians who want to tap into a premium streaming service with a focus on sound quality and fair compensation. It's particularly suited for artists whose fan base values superior audio and those who have an established presence in the music industry. Strengths. First, Tidal offers high-quality audio streaming, which makes it a standout option for audiophiles. Second, the platform offers better revenue percentages for artists, which means higher payouts. Third, the detailed analytics and editorial opportunities give artists tools to understand and grow their audience. Weaknesses. Tidal's user base is smaller compared to platforms like Spotify and Apple Music, which means less exposure for independent artists. Additionally, while the platform offers great revenue potential, its distribution model isn't as streamlined or widespread as other major distributors. Final verdict: Tidal is a great platform for artists looking for fair compensation and high-quality audio streaming, but its smaller audience means it might not be the first choice for broad exposure. If you have a dedicated fan base or focus on delivering top-tier audio experiences, Tidal could be an excellent addition to your distribution strategy. Check out the links in the description to explore it yourself.